Solve the equation sine of x plus square root 2 equals negative sine of x. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add sine of x to both sides. It's going to make 2 sine x plus the square root of 2 equals 0. Okay, so now I'm going to subtract the square root of 2 from both sides. That's going to leave 2 sine of x equals the negative square root of 2. Then divide by 2. Sine of x equals negative square root of 2 over 2. So then the question is, for what angles x, measured in radians, does the sine of x make negative square root of 2 over 2? Well, I know the reference angle is just going to be pi over 4. But then for the sine to be negative, we need to figure out what quadrant that's going to be in. Okay, so sine of x is negative in quadrants 3 and 4. So that means we're going to be here. This is going to be pi over 4. But all the way around, that's going to be 5 pi over 4. Then our other angle is going to be here. And that's going to be 7 pi over 4. All the way around. So our two angles are x equals 5 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. Now we're looking for the general solutions, not just over the interval of the first unit circle. So we're going to need to modify this a little bit. X equals 5 pi over 4 plus 2n pi, and x equals 7 pi over 4 plus 2n pi. Okay, that accounts for all solutions.